Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher, Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Students, we will do the revision of exercise 1.2. Yes? And take your books and notebooks with you, and here we start. Yes, exercise 1.2. Here one number is given, that is 8796, and some questions are asked to us. We will answer those questions by watching this number. Yes, which digit is at the tens place? Firstly, we will write this number according to the places: ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Yes, 8796. First question is, which digit is at the tens place? Tens place, which digit is there? 9 is there, so we will write here 9. Yes, which digit is at the thousand place? Thousand place, 8 is there, so we will write here 8. Yes, then next question is, what is the place value of the digit 7? 7 is on 100 place and its place value is 700. Its place value is 700. 700 means 7 multiply 100 and it will be 700. Yes, then what is the face value of the digit 6? Yes students, face value, if the face value of any digit is the digit itself, वो digit खुद ही अपनी face value होता है. Yes, here you have to write what is the face value of the digit 6. Then face value of 6 will be 6. Face value of 6 is 6. Yes. Now see next, express each number in expanded form. Yes students, before doing expanded form, let's understand what is the place value. What is the place value? Because expanded form and place value both are very closely related. Yes. For example, what is the place value? Yes, for example, one number is given to you: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This you know, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 6 is on ones place, so its place value will be 6 ones. Its place value will be 6 ones. 8 is on tens place, its place value will be 8 tens. Yes, 2's place value will be 2 hundreds and 4's place value will be 4000. How we will write this? Place value of 6. 6 ones. 6 ones means 6. Place value of 8. 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Place value of 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds means like this. Yes, and place value of 4000 like this. Yes, these are the place values. And how to write expanded form? If we have to write the expanded form of this number, we will add all these place values. Yes, firstly 4000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 6. 4000 plus 200 plus 80 plus 6. Like this, when we add all the place values, it becomes expanded form. It becomes expanded form. Yes, now see these sums. Yes, I will do C part. 7787. Yes, here is ones place, 8 is on tens place, 7 is on 100 place, and this 7 is on 1000 place. 7 ones, 8 tens, 7 hundreds, 7000. So I will start this. 7 ones, place value of 7 will be 7. Because it is 7 ones, we will put the symbol of plus. Then 8 tens. 8 tens means 80. Then 7 hundreds. 700 means 700 like this. Yes, then 7000. So this has become expanded form of 7787. Yes, now see one more example, more sum, 8008. Here 8 is on ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. Yes, place value of 8 ones, we will write 8. Yes, then 0 tens, we will write only 0. Yes, because no digit is here. And 0 hundreds, we will write 0 only because no digit is there. Yes, then 8000. 8's place value will be 8000. So it will be the expanded form of 8008. In this way you will do other parts also. Yes, now see, write the following numbers in the standard form. Firstly, we have written standard form to expanded form. Now expanded form is given to us and we have to write this standard form. Yes, this also we will write with the help of the places. One digit is there, means ones place digit it will be. Two digits, it will be the tens place digit. Then 4 digits, it will be the 1000 place digit. See how? Yes, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes, one digit, ones place. Then 2 digits, 3 tens. 30 means 3 tens. Yes, now 3 digits are not there. One digit is there, 2 digits are there. After that 3 digits are not given in this question. So 1, 2, 3. Third place we will write 0. Yes, then 4 digits are there, means 5000 is there. So we will write here 5. Fourth digit will be 5. So it will be written like this, 5039. Yes, now see this. One digit, ones place digit. Yes, ones place digit 7. Then 2 digits are not there, means tens place digit will be 0. Then 3 digits are also not there, so 100 place digit will also be 0. Then 4 digits are there, means this is a digit of 1000 place, it will be 1. So how it will be written? 1007. So we will write 1007. Yes, now see one more. Here you can see 2 digits are there, means tens place digit is given to us. 1 is not given, one digit is not here, so ones place digit is not given. So in place of ones place digit we will write 0. Then tens place digit, it will be 4. 2 digit means tens place digit. Then 3 digit means 100 place digit, it will be 5. Yes, 100 place digit will be 5. Then 4 digits means 1000 place digit, it will be 6. So it will become 6540, 6540. Yes students, hope you have understood this concept. The sums that I have done, those sums will be revised by you, and the sums that I have not done, those sums will be done by yourself. Do the sums carefully and have a beautiful day ahead. Do these sums in the book only. If you need any type of help by writing, that you can write in the rough notebook, and do these sums in the book only. Yes friends, have a beautiful day ahead and thank you.